How to remove invisible body filter on TikTok. In this short video, I'm going to show you if it's possible to be able to remove the invisible body filter on TikTok. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so you may have noticed on TikTok recently that there's been a new popular filter that's been around, that's the invisible body filter. So head over to TikTok and do a search for invisible body, and you'll see there's hundreds and thousands of videos that people have uploaded with the invisible body filter applied to them. Now some people use these so they can make their skin invisible and make funny videos, or other people, as you can see on the top one, says nude or sexy, and some people want to post stuff that's not PG and rated for TikTok. So this is definitely piqued people's curiosity about whether you can actually remove this filter or not. So you can actually try and put it in any professional photo editor or video editor, but unfortunately, as this is something that's hard-coded into TikTok, you will not be able to remove this filter from these videos. So unfortunately, there's no point in you actually trying to do this. So there you go. So I've just answered the question if you're able to remove the body filter on TikTok, and unfortunately you're not. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.